Hey Matt, I would like to explain about this. So I will firstly go to job calendar and schedule one job activity to pass slow motion. I will create one disposal job activity for this. After that, I change the driver for the job activity. After a few seconds, that disposal job comes to no driver. So this will take a little bit means few seconds to come over that because of push notifications. When we change the driver for the parent job, then it will goes to backside, and then it will also change the job driver for the disposal job activities, and then push notification comes to the page, and then that changes are reflected over the page. So it will took a little bit time. Thank you.